Good morning, everybody. I'm going to do a quick demo on how to do a rolled hem on the neckline of my latest shift. If you like these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notifications button down below. So my neckline has been cut as per an older shift, so I know that it works for me. What I'm going to do is start by rolling and pressing over with my thumb a very small fold. And the smaller the fold that you can do at this step, the smaller the hem will be. And linen is an obedient fabric. Okay, and I'm starting at the back because I start all my hems where they're inconspicuous. I've waxed and knotted my linen thread in a small needle, and I'm going to bury the knot in the hem. And that's the dog playing behind us. So it's up in the fold. So to start, I'm going to take a stitch and take a stitch in just the fold. So 2 or 3 threads of the fabric where the cut edge meets the body of the fabric, and then just into the fold. And I'm going to carry up and make a little 7. I'm going to hide that thread a little bit better. And pick up and pick up. And pick up and pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, and pick up. So you can see the little 7s in the stitch. Now once you've got this many stitches made, you're going to very gently roll with your thumb and forefinger and pull those stitches tight. And you don't want to be making a whole long line of stitches before you do this, because you're just asking for trouble. And that's what your rolled hem should look like as you're going around. And then just gonna continue on. There you go. And then once you have your whole hem finished, give it a quick press with the iron. Thanks, everybody. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notifications. And maybe give me a thumbs up.